Hi, I'm Pratik Choudhury. I'm Professor of Diabetes at the University of Leicester. I'm part of the REDDIE project, and here we're emulating 4 major landmark trials in diabetes. Now, these trials are always done in people who meet very strict criteria, often done in people who are at high risk of cardiovascular outcomes. But the vast majority of people I see in my clinical practice are not at high risk. So we're using we kind of emulate the clinical trials in the real world databases to see, do we see the same benefits in people who met those criteria, but also we can use those real world databases covering in the UK a large proportion of people and seeing are those same benefits seen in people who didn't take part in the trial. For example, what's really interesting for us in the UK is in ethnically diverse populations, do we see the same benefits or more or less in younger people with type 2 diabetes? So the real world evidence offers us a chance to provide this context around the real randomized controlled trial data. It's really great to come together and see what other projects in this cluster are doing. There's lots of different real-world projects looking at different disease areas, but we're coming across the same issues in terms of methodology, dissemination, and actually coming together to share our experiences helps us move faster and make sure we're all aligned. Because broadly, if we look at that, take that big picture, we all want to see how these real-world databases can be better used to help improve health of people.